In this video, I'll show you how to put tables side by side in Google Docs. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, at first, you need to be logged into your Google Docs, right? This is our Google Docs blank page or document. So I'm going to show you how you can insert two tables and put them side by side right here in your Google Docs document, right? So head over to this insert, click on this insert, click on this table. I'll select 2 times 1, right? Then inside this 2 times 1, I would say common here, insert table, insert another 2 by 1. Okay, sorry, I would make this insect, I would make it 2 times 2. Yeah, so I would come on here as well, insert the same table, right? I would make it 2 times 2. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how you can put these two tables side by side. Now what you need to do, you would click on this, right? Change it to white. Yeah, it won't take your time. Click on this, change it to white. Click on this, change it to white. Do this as well. Come on here, change it to white. Click on this, click on this, change it to white. Yeah, click on this as well, change it to white. So this is basically how you can put two tables side by side here in your Google Docs blank document. So these two tables are now by the side of each other, right? So this is basically how you can do that. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll be with you guys in the very next one.